Okay, watch what you say. We're on video now.
Actually, this snow isn't really snowman material. It's not wet.
Yeah, it's kind of dry.
Uh-oh. I gotta get you next. Eddie.
I gotta get you, Mom.
You better run.
Oh no! Oh no! Save me! Mommy! Oh no! I'm going to climb!
Where did Nick go? I can't even see him. Is he hot? Oh, there he is.
Leaning on the
Nicholas. Nicholas,
get you.
say cheese. I'll go get you. Where'd Nicholas go? There he is.
Yeah, it's real powdery. It's not. It's actually good skiing snow.
Yeah, yeah. No, there's still snowing.
Not wet, not powdery like
What year is the ski tag from on your jacket?
Mommy, I'm going to get you.
You have one up top too. Look at that one.
Mommy, I'm going to get you. Mommy, I'm going to get you.
March of 2007.
That's when we
That's
went.
when we went.
Mhm.
It was like kind of warm out.
What about on that one?
And this
Mommy,
one,
Mommy,
February of
Mommy,
2007.
Mommy.
That's
See,
when
we
I
went
went with
tw-
Sep and them.
Oh, okay, yeah.
We went to Camelback. But this is Tanglewood. That's like,
The last time we
that
went
doesn't
skiing.
even open anymore, that
No,
Tanglewood.
yeah, it's closed.
Mommy, I'm going to get you.
Ah! I gotta get you. Ah! It's a cute.
Sorry, Snake.
Come out here and take a picture of the camera.
You being shy? Say hi. Nikki, say hi. You like the snow?
Hey, I know.
Yeah?
I was
You
touching
like
the
it?
Mommy, I know. On
Nikki.
on slide.
Hey, Nikki.
Sorry, it's me. Let me
Do you like the snow?
Gee.
Yeah. I say cheese. Cheese. Say cheese. Cheese.